With everything going on in the world right now, it has become a very important topic on my heart to work with our clients or even work for free and give my time to business owners to help them put systems in place to be able to not only salvage, but survive and thrive in the current economy and what's coming next in the economy. This is something near to my heart. It's a more serious video, but in this video, I'm gonna show you the one thing that I know you can do in your business today if you're running out of money. So right now in business, it's easy for marketers or these agency gurus to say, the solution to your problems is using Facebook or going online or using social media or putting money into ad spend. But what if you don't have that much money to put into ad spend? What if you don't have the money to test? What if you are running on low cash flow and you need a system, something to stabilize your cash flow? The number one thing that we've been looking at in teaching our clients if they're running out of money is how to set up intentional referral systems. Now, I understand in some businesses, they're losing a lot of customers, a lot of clients right now. Unless you're in e-commerce, and most e-commerce are winning if you're in the service industry or if you have a physical product that you've been selling for a while that maybe you haven't gone online yet. One of the biggest things that you can do right now to turn your cash flow around is building an intentional referral program into your business to start generating cash flow. And so the very first example of this is a white label program. If you are a service-based company or a done-for-you company, whether you're a consultancy or an agency, one of the biggest things that you can do is build a white label program. What we do and how we work with our clients or different individuals if we're at these workshops is we help them identify, or we tell them to identify a business that has your existing customers and write down a list as long as you can of businesses or companies that have your existing customers right now, and creating an offer that incentivizes them to send you business. And in return, you also give them a percentage of revenue that they generate for you. Why has this been so effective? Because the main reason over anything else is that the businesses that you're going to be reaching out to create these white label programs with for your business are businesses that are also financially hurting for business, for customers, for you to be able to offer them this additional service offering that you coach them on how to sell your product, how to recommend your product. And because of that, whether it's an email list or they start to white label that as their own side of their business, so it builds more authority to their business, which is a plus. It also brings you business. And as long as you don't care about being the front person of the business, this is going to be an asset for you. It will help you grow cash flow. Long term, if you're trying to grow your brand and you're trying to grow your business, this might not be the best referral program or way to build this into your business, but it is highly, highly effective to creating cash flow very quickly. Going out there, writing down a list of businesses, starting with industries or types of businesses that will have your customers, and then going deeper with names and phone numbers and calling these businesses up and having an offer proposition for them. You will be able to create white label partners that will want to refer you business and will help you stabilize cash flow that you can then take and invest it into your marketing, into whether it's digital or even direct mail right now. Identifying that a white label program, if you're a service-based business, could be the answer for you. Next, we're gonna be talking about consumer products or SaaS companies and the program that we would recommend for them. Now, keep in mind, this does work for service-based businesses, but it's a bit of a different structure, and that's setting up an affiliate program in your business. There are many different programs that allow you to do this. If you are trying to promote and build a funnel and start marketing online or have a platform that pushes customers consistently to your business online, this is one of the first things that you can do is building an affiliate program. I recommend using ClickFunnels. We'll leave a link in the description below. They have the ability for you to build an affiliate program, or you can handle it manually through forms, and when people refer you business or they sign up to buy your product, you can set up referral codes or a coupon code that is specific to the individual that helps you track that. But this is another way to really help generate business. If you're a SaaS company, affiliate marketing has been by far one of the best ways if you have a really substantial and amazing product to grow exponentially as a SaaS company. Even if you're an e-commerce company or you're selling a product, you can build an affiliate program nationwide that will help you market your product. Keep in mind, this has to involve training. You have to train them on how to sell your product, how to market your product, what has worked for you. Create this platform for them to sell your product as an affiliate. And the last example can be applied to a variety of businesses. This is more a way to structure your referral program within your business differently instead of maybe you don't want to pay out revenues. Another way to really get creative is if they are your existing clients or existing customers, to offer them free product. You could even offer them a discount in the thousands if you're a service-based business. For every business that they refer, eventually they get to the point where they've referred enough business and they get what you offer for free. That is a huge incentive, and that turns every single client that starts to participate in this structure of referrals to you. Every one customer can turn into 4 or to 5 if you build this program correctly. So instead of trading revenues, giving them a kickback for everything they send to you, you can give them a kickback in the way of time or in the way of product. So figure out what structure might make the most sense. It might be more scalable just to give them a recurring kickback or a one-time kickback of the product. Whatever makes the most sense in your business, take some time, talk it over with your team. But if there's one thing that will allow you to stabilize cash flow, especially if you have very little money or are running out of money in your business right now, it's going to be building intentional referral programs into your business. Leave a comment down below. What do you want to see next? Do you want to see us go more into depth for a specific type of funnel or how to build a funnel, what to look at, and more than that, what you want to see? What challenges are you facing? Leave a comment down below. We look at it, we tailor our content to you as the viewer, and it matters to us. Other than that, enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you on the next video.